Assalamualaikum grade 7. This is your lecture of Oxford Progressive English. As you know that we are studying unit number 5 danger. So now we are going to study our chapter Sky Surfing Dream Ends in Tragedy at page number 126. So friends, this chapter Sky Surfing Dream Ends in Tragedy elaborates the struggle of a lady, Pauline Richards, from a businesswoman to a sky surfer that ends up to her tragic death. Friends, we are going to study the summary of this news report. The proper book reading will be done in online class on Zoom app. The Sky Surfing Dream Ends in Tragedy. Summary. In this news report, the writer explains the struggle of a lady, Pauline Richards, to meet new challenges. She bids farewell to her well-established business and became a professional sky surfer at 41. She had natural aptitude for this sport and made 4,100 successful jumps. In spite of all these incident-free struggles, her last effort of jumping ended up in tragedy. So students, this is a summary of this chapter. Now we are moving towards reading for understanding and interpretation. We are going to solve first 5 question answers at page number 128. So open your notebooks and start to write. Reading for understanding and interpretation. Question number 1. Why did Pauline Richards leave her job? Answer. She left her job because she was tired of ceaseless competition. Moreover, she wanted to meet new challenges. Question number 2. Why was it surprising that she left her job? Answer. It was surprising because she had spent many years building this business and now she was earning $70,000 per year from it. Question number 3. How did Pauline Richards die? Answer. She plunged 14,000 feet from a plane and crash landed. She struck the ground at a speed of almost 200 miles per hour. She died of internal injuries. Question number 4. What is involved in sky surfing? Answer. Sky surfing is much like snowboarding and sea surfing. You ride the airwaves on a surfing board after jumping out of a plane. Question 5. What do you think Pauline Richards' bright pink dyed hair showed about her? Answer. Her bright pink dyed hair showed her flamboyance and youthfulness. Friends, you will write these question answers in your notebooks and learn them. Students, now we move towards the words meanings of this chapter. Number 1, relentless, continuous. Number 2, rat race, competition. Number 3, flamboyant, bold. Number 4, array, dress. Number 5, potential, capacity. Number 6, blackout, to faint. Students, you will write these words meanings in your notebooks and learn them. Students, now open your books at page number 128. We are going to solve exercises. Vocabulary task 1. Pauline Richards was obviously an extremely energetic, talented and unusual woman. The following adjectives are all used in the text to describe Pauline Richards. Complete the adjectives. The first one has been done for you. So here are incomplete adjectives and we are going to complete them as shown in the example. High flying. Number 2 is high profile. Number 3 is flamboyant. Number 4, experience. Number 5, easygoing. Number 6, sensible. Number 7, remarkable. Number 8, thrill seeking. Friends, you will solve this exercise on your books and learn it. Now move towards task 2. There are many more adjectives that could be used to describe Pauline Richards, such as determined, brave, or high achieving. Make a list of 8 more appropriate adjectives. So it is your homework. You will make 8 adjectives. You will write 8 adjective words to describe the struggle and determination of Pauline Richards. Move towards task 3. Write your own sentences illustrating the meanings of the following expressions from the text. So here some words are given. We are going to use them in our sentences. Open your notebooks. Number 1. To build from scratch. After his father's death, he built his business from scratch. Number 2. The rat race. Moral values are usually ignored in the rat race. Number 3. To scale the pinnacle. Within a short period, she scaled the pinnacle of her profession. Number 4. A respected ambassador. Shahid Afridi is the most respected ambassador of the sports. Number 5. Tipped to win. To see her excellent results, she was tipped to win the award of the best student of the year. So students, we have completed our chapter. Allah Hafiz.